The Samsung RF511 is a 15-inch notebook that's as powerful as most full-size desktop computers. Stuffed full of the very latest technology, the RF511 is a mobile power user's dream come true. When it comes to aesthetics, the RF511 isn't going to win any beauty contests. The glossy black lid and textured screen bezel look okay, but the generally grey, black and silver plastic finish look functional rather than stylish. In fact, when it comes to design, it's clear that the Samsung was far more concerned with what goes on inside the RF511 than how the outside looks. And to be frank, what's on the inside is far more interesting. The 15.6-inch widescreen display comes with two resolution options, 1366 by 768 or the higher 1600 by 900. Both resolutions offer a 16:9 aspect ratio, and an LED backlight provides a wide colour gamut. The glossy, high-contrast coating ensures deep, rich black levels and even more vivid colours. The high-resolution screen allows for more desktop real estate and more windows and applications open concurrently, ultimately making you more productive. The RF511 ships with a choice of optical drives. The base configuration is a super multi-DVD writer, allowing you to archive data and watch DVD movies. But there's also an option for a Blu-ray drive, which puts high-definition movies on the table. Even the higher resolution screen won't be able to play back full HD Blu-ray movies at their native resolution, but you can pump the video signal to your high-definition TV using the HDMI port. The RF511 comes with a hardware specification that put many high-end desktop computers to shame. With Intel's latest core processors in the driving seat, you can run any application without an issue. Not only are dual-core i3 and i5 CPUs available, but you can even go for a quad-core i7 chip for the ultimate power trip. You can back up the CPU with generous helpings of DDR3 memory with up to a maximum of 6 GB, while storage space won't be a problem with hard disk capacities up to 750 GB. The RF511 can even turn its hand to 3D gaming with NVIDIA graphics options, with up to 2 GB of video memory on board. The RF511 has data connectivity in spades, with two USB 2 ports on the left and a further two USB 3 ports on the right. Not only will the USB 3 ports allow for a staggeringly fast 5 gigabit per second transfer speed, but they'll also charge external devices while the notebook is powered off. Both analog and digital video outputs are catered for in the shape of VGA and HDMI connectors, while the microphone and headphone sockets can work in tandem with an integrated webcam for video calling. If you have a high-speed wired network at home or in the office, you want to take advantage of the Gigabit Ethernet port, or you could just use the Wi-Fi adapter with its high-speed 802.11n compatibility. Finally, at the front of the chassis is an SD card reader. The keyboard is one, if not the most important aspect of a notebook computer, and the example in the RF511 is a very good example. The keys are large with a textured finish to avoid slippage. The level of travel is also extensive, with each key springing back with your finger, ready for the next keystroke. And if typing numbers is just as important to you as typing letters, you'll be glad to know that there's a full numeric keypad, which should make heavy spreadsheet entry less of a chore. Oh, and having a control key in the bottom left corner, where it should be, is a bonus for anyone who uses a lot of keyboard shortcuts. You won't need to worry about your battery giving up the ghost, since Samsung rates the 6L lithium-ion pack as good for 3,000 charges over a 3-year period. And with Samsung's fast start feature, you'll be up and running in a second, whether on battery or mains power. If you can look past the slightly dull design, the Samsung RF511 has a great deal to offer the power user. With cutting-edge components, a high-resolution screen and superb ergonomics, the RF511 could be the only computer you need.